You walk outside on a sunny day. And suddenly, ACHOO. Why does bright light make some of us sneeze? Is it allergies? A camera flash? Or is something else happening? Whatever it is, it happens fast. And it's oddly common. Before I reveal why, take a quick moment to like and subscribe. It helps these curious videos live on. Here's the secret, it's called the photic sneeze reflex. A quirky genetic trait. When sudden bright light hits your eyes, the signal misfires, crossing from your optic nerve to your sneeze center. So instead of getting blinded, your body sneezes. It's not harmful, just one of those weird ways your body responds to surprise brightness. And now, on to the next mystery.